We've got a really awesome update today, but a few things first. I can't believe I need to address this in a video, but here I am. What I've come to know is that Tinkerine has some really passionate investors. People that keep track of what we do and has gone out of their way to connect with us via this exact channel, YouTube. Tinkerine is a 3D printing company focused on skills training and educational tech. We derive most of our business through our activities in education, and YouTube for us, in a way, is a marketing avenue. It's a platform for us to discuss various technical aspects of the 3D printing industry, and it's meant to be informative and educational. If you landed here believing that it's a place for investor discussion, I'm sorry, it won't be. We do have proper channels for that, such as our website and our investor relations team. We do our best to respond quickly and accurately through those channels. In fact, I'll leave direct links in the description to help you save time if you do wish to reach out. Okay, before I move on to the actual topic I want to cover, I just want to say, for any investors watching, thank you for staying engaged. It does mean a lot to us, and I hope you do enjoy this journey. So, on to the important news. Today, Tinkerine launched our skills platform, and we're pretty excited by this opportunity to build a destination for any person, student, professional, or business that looks to adopt 3D printing technology into their workflow. And no, I don't simply mean FFF technologies. All 3D printing technologies and associated skills that go along with ensuring successful utilization of this amazing tool. So for the uninitiated then, 3D printing isn't just about the hardware technology like we often think. Aside from machine operation, the bigger challenge actually lies in the skill sets and knowledge necessary to select, say, the right technology vertical in the 3D printing space, designing your creations and the digital model, and alongside all of this is the business consideration of which they're literally all interconnected. This industry is also pretty segmented, and the team we have is pulling together the collective knowledge to create a single platform to do all that. We also have a pretty aggressive goal to expand the content on this platform with the right partners that are building the best-in-class hardware and software today, and we're keeping an eye on the future ones to come. What's really cool here is the potential. We're tapping into currently a $10 billion market segment that no one is playing in. Everyone is focused on selling you the next great hardware innovation, and what we're doing is ensuring when you pick up that shiny new hardware, you or your team has all the proper skill sets in place to be able to leverage it at its fullest. What we've realized as a team is that no one company in this industry can build all the 3D printing technologies. And we're limiting the skill potential of our business by limiting it to, say, just the desktop FFF techs. This could mean that we work with those hardware innovators or some of the best ones already around, but also see value in on-ramping their customers for successful 3D printing integration. The net result is more hardware and consumable sale potential for them and greater user adoption for our platform for us. The goal is to scale this 3D printing education business globally because we know this is not just a North American problem. If done right, the potential is pretty huge. A win for us as a company, but also a win for the 3D printing industry as well. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this, say, Tinkerine update. I'm thinking I'll call them just that. I'm sure as we develop and build out our business, you'll see more of me in these segments. With that said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.